Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I can hardly get it out. I got my February Glossybox a couple of days ago. Let me back up a little. Couple days ago. It's so cute. I have to show you guys this. I can't even deal with this. Look how cute this is. And then with like the little postcard over here. So yeah, I actually went ahead and canceled my Macy's beauty box. So sad face. Leave a comment down below if you want me to, get it again so you can see what is in there. But I did cancel it because I was just like, for what? Like nothing was good in there. But anyway, so this is the Glossybox and it comes with a little postcard and a little kiss. I really like that it came before Valentine's Day because the whole thing about February is like, it's Valentine's Day, you know? So, so a lot of beauty boxes, I'm assuming, are going to get Valentine's Day stuff. So I'm like, why hasn't anything arrived before Valentine's Day? Because Valentine's Day is like, I think it's like next Wednesday or something. It's like all the beauty boxes need to drop and need to come now. Anyway, so that's just my 2 cents. So this is Glossybox. It's $21 a month. This is the packaging. Little sweethearts. Obviously I did open it a little bit. So the first thing that I got is this face mask. So it is Pore Rosehip Mud Sheet Mask. It's a peel off mask. So it's a 3D mask sheet. So I'll show you this here. It's showing like that it's 3D. So apparently these are the directions. Thank God they put it in English on the other side over here. But so yeah, this is what you're supposed to do, I'm guessing. Sorry, my nails need to be redone. So it says, after cleansing, use a toner to even the skin from the separated mask. Take the upper side, blah, blah, blah. So it's 2 separate masks. So, you like put them on for 40 minutes and then peel it off. So, let me see. Once it dries. Okay, once dried, take both top and bottom and upper part mask and gently remove sideways. Rinse face with water and remove residue. This sounds kind of cool, so I might actually try this because I'm not a fan of like sheet masks, but I'll try it out and see. So the next thing I got was this lip liner. It's from Duche. This is the color here. It's like a mauve-y something or other. And we'll just do a swatch here. So, I mean, it looks decent. It looks alright. You know. It seems very matte, very pigmented. So, I mean, honestly, nothing will ever be better than my NYX Liquid Suede liners because they're so cheap and they're so good. So the next thing I got is this scrubby Royal Apothic Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. So it's a lip scrub. Okay. And this is in the, it says extract of fig. So let's smell this. Oh, it's like metalled on there, which I don't know how to take off. I guess you just puncture it. I'm not sure. I've never actually used the lip scrub, but yeah. I love like exfoliators and regular scrubs, so I'm sure I'll like this one. Next thing I got, I was about to start snapping. If you watched any of my other Glossybox videos, you know I don't mess with these weirdo hair products they give us, but these are actually body washes. So I thought they were hair products. I was about to be so pissed. So this was Geranium and Grapefruit Body Wash. And this was Geranium and Grapefruit Body Milk. So, oh, what's the milk? Is this lotion? I don't know. Body milk. Is that lotion? Let's get the pamphlet. Body milk. I hate when I'm looking at a package of something and you can't tell what it is. or like it doesn't have directions. Okay, time to get refreshed. This fruits and flowers infused body dew will leave you feeling okay, so this one's a creamy moisture. Yeah, so this is lotion. Creamy moisturizer will leave your skin feeling refreshed. And let's smell this. Grapefruit. Oh, it does smell like grapefruit. I actually like lotion, so let's rub it on and see. It doesn't look that moisturizing. Wow, it literally smells like you opened up a grapefruit. You know how you open a grapefruit and it like splashes everywhere? That's what it smells like. That's so funny. Okay, and these, the cost for these is $6.50 each. The lip liner is $20. Goodbye. And the lip scrub is $14. And I got one more thing. Tweezers. I live for plucking and just love to pluck. Like, I just love when the hair comes out and it's just like, oh, you can see like the follicles and all that. It's just so satisfying. Yeah. This one's called Pick a Pinch Slant Tweezer. Diamond Precision Beauty Tools, trademark. So let's see. They came in this package here. And they seem pretty sturdy. Okay, that's good. That's good. Should I pluck something? I do have mole hair I could pluck. Let's see. Let's pluck something and see. Let's pluck something and see. Let me get a mirror. Hold on. I would say my brows, but like I have concealer on top of them. Let's see. Is this ratchet to pluck? Wow. They don't really hurt that much. This is kind of ratchet to pluck while you have eyeshadow on. Cool. Let's try my mole hairs. I have so many mole hairs. It's so disgusting. But like, no matter what I do, they grow back in like 3 days. It's so funny. Oh my god, ew. Oh my god, can you see this? No way. Oh my god. You can like literally see skin. It doesn't hurt though, but I mean, I love to pluck, so maybe that's why. I'm trying to show you guys. Hold on. I'm trying to show you. Is this too gross to show? It's just a hair. It's just a mole hair. Beauty mark hair. So funny. Yeah, so these are pretty good tweezers. The box is $21. I go back and forth about like if it's worth it or not. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it for a little while longer and see. I always say that like every month. I'm like, I'm gonna keep it for a little while longer and see, you know. But yeah, these are good. Wow. Yeah, they're good. And they don't hurt. Like sometimes like tweezers can like actually hurt you. But yeah, these feel like pretty good. Let me pluck something else. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. There's a button. It says subscribe on it. You should press it. I'm gonna take off my makeup and then pluck my brows because anyone who knows me knows I live for like plucking my brows. Oh my god, yes. Yes! I just love plucking my brows. I love plucking like anything. Oh, so satisfying. Yeah, if you're wondering about my makeup today, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And then my lips are just butter gloss and what's this color called? I just threw this on. And Ginger Snap. NYX butter gloss. So guys, subscribe to my channel and get some fire content. Have a good week. Until next time. Bye.